I got my pimp cheap boy here. He's working here. He's showing me how to. Right here, he's helping me promote the Kevin Grab YouTube channel, Kevin Grab Life YouTube channel. And this is I got a mango right here. This is it's called For Real Milkshake and Smoothies. I've seen commercials for these. These are really cool.
These are really good. Really good.
Awesome.
Right here,
these two here, probably the healthiest
right here.
smoothies we got.
And
awesome.
Just to show you, I don't know if I can double up right here. It's all frozen right there.
All frozen.
Solid right there. Then you put it in right here. I'm guessing you just do it like that.
Yes.
You tell me if I'm doing right. And thick.
And you got 3 options: thin, regular, thick.
What do you want? Thick, Kev?
For the first time, I'm gonna want to do it thin, just to see, because I don't want to get any of the straw clogged.
Why don't you do regular? Regular. Yeah, come on.
Good.
Regular sounds better.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. Okay. So
That's all you gotta do.
That's all you gotta do.
How cool that is. It's like we are living in the future right now. Right now it's just almost gonna be 2020 in about a month. Not wearing my watch right now, but this is better than shit. It's like this is the ultimate. Like we got most gas stations.
Make sure you can tell them you can go on here, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram.
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also, you know what? Instagram, Facebook, the Kevin Grab Life channel with all 3 of those right there. Kevin Grab Life.
I like
So,
chocolate.
right here. Okay, I guess you're all from Texas.
Strawberry
What's yours?
banana's good too.
That's what he said. He said that was a good one too.
You want to be in the video?
All my exes are from Texas.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's a cool.
It doesn't take very long to
But
make.
it's all blending right here. So it's
Takes about 45 seconds.
That's
45
awesome.
seconds. We got 45 seconds. We're gonna
Blending.
get a regular blending.
Oh, and here it
yeah.
comes.
Ooh, yeah, baby.
Get a lid out.
Oh, go man. I want to show you in front. So right here if I can drink out of it. Oh, it's so cool. Okay. Oh, look right here, right there, smoothie. Mmm. It tastes like real mangoes right here.
Just like Campbell soup.
Campbell soup.
Good.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Here, you need your lid.
Lid.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Let's go.
I have your lid and
Yeah,
your
thank you so
song.
much. Yeah, you guys are so cool. I wish I lived here so I can.
I didn't know they had mint chocolate
Shut the door.
chip.
Yeah. So okay.
Keeps the fridge shut.
Mint chocolate
Anyways,
chip.
right here, there's Frappes, like if you want to get
Caffeine.
caffeine, and right here smoothies, which I got, and there's a milkshake. You can get them. This is all sponsored. And also, if you want to switch up and it's hot outside, you know, one of these, but these are also cold too.
Are
It'll be
you?
hot for a while.
Yeah.
You gotta tell us what you
I
think.
know, it's the wrong way.
sorry.
See, right here,
Come on, put it in.
I think you actually do put it that way. That's the right way. You put that thing down first, but you have to make sure there's a hole here.
Yep, good.
Right there. Right there.
All right.
That thing
Try
right
it.
there.
Give us a
Bottom.
review.
Right here. Thank you. Thumbs up. Leave a comment right here if you see these straws.
Try the
The reason why
milkshake.
it's so big like that. Try the milkshake. Okay, I'm gonna try it right now. I gotta have some of these extras for my boys.
Well, you got the mango smooth.
Tastes dang good.
All right, the
Yeah, real
review is
mango.
get one. Try it.
Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment. Show it to
Oh, he wants another card.
Right here.
My name is Junior, by the way.
Oh, Junior, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I am a junior. That's why they call me
Cut the
Junior.
video off.
Okay, so we got Junior here, the coolest guy ever.
Give him a-
Okay,
All right, and that's a cut.
That's a cut.